The best camera straps don't always have to be these long shoulder or sling straps. Oftentimes, the smaller camera wrist straps are more minimal to carry around and don't have the added clunkiness of a shoulder strap. Camera wrist straps have great functionality and are preferred by many professional photographers. Yet, I find the camera wrist strap convenient since it allows me to access my camera more easily. Here are my recommendations on some of the best camera wrist straps. At number 5 is Optech SLR wrist strap. The Optech SLR wrist strap is built from durable, comfortable, non-slip neoprene which adjusts around the wrist with a security slide to keep it firmly in place. If you dislike the weight of a camera hanging around your neck, I highly recommend a camera wrist strap, and few are as comfortable, affordable and well-built as the Optech SLR wrist strap. The Optech SLR wrist strap is comfortably wide and can be secured to your hand with the included security slide. The length is just right, not so long that your camera will dangle far from your wrist when you let go of it. At number 4 is Custom SLR Glide 1 Strap System. If you're fed up of your DSLR bouncing on your chest as you walk, this strap is for you. It uses a comfortable sling strap with the camera hanging upside down at your hip. The Glide 1 strap system offers quick, easy access to your camera, without it getting in your way the rest of the time. It's easy to set up and adjust, and with features like the split strap technology, to distribute weight evenly on your shoulder, neoprene padding, and silicone inner grip, it's a feature-rich and highly functional camera strap. At number 3 is Peak Design Leash V2. The newly redesigned Peak Design Leash V2, aka the LBL3, is a versatile camera strap, which represents many functions all in one: camera sling strap, camera neck strap, safety tether, and video stabilizer. It can adapt to any shooting situation via its unique anchor link connection system. The Peak Design Leash is slim, lightweight, and comfortable, with seatbelt style webbing that glides easily over your clothes. It has a huge range of adjustment, 19 to 60 inches, and it's quick and easy to attach or detach your camera with the anchor link system. The Peak Design Leash is super strong, despite its ultralight credentials and the fact that you can easily fold it away into your bag when you don't need it. The anchor system can support up to 200 pounds. At number 2 is Black Rapid Breathe Curve. Having made all their camera straps sling style, Black Rapid became the creators of some of the most innovative camera straps ever, offering an unmatched level of ease and access to your camera, as well as strength and safety. Black Rapid's crossbody strap style places the camera upside down against your waist, allowing for fast and easy access at a moment's notice. The Black Rapid Breathe Curve further stabilizes the attached camera when used with its included stabilizing strap, which secures the strap under the user's left shoulder and prevents the attached camera from twisting as it rests along one's right side. It's strong enough for any DSLR or mirrorless camera and lens combination you throw at it. At number 1 is ThinkTank Camera Strap V2.0. ThinkTank Photo designs and produces a wide range of camera carrying solutions for the professional photographer. The ThinkTank Camera Strap V2.0 is a simple, unobtrusive camera neck strap strong enough to support pro DSLR bodies with pro lenses attached. The 1-inch wide polyspun strap is both strong and durable. It has non-slip silicone on both sides, saving you the task of checking which side is which when you sling your camera over your shoulder. Designed to be compressed easily for less bulk and increased portability while traveling, the Camera Strap V2.0 also attaches to ThinkTank backpacks and harnesses and is frequently used by professional photographers in this way.